Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create this infographic with a light bulb and jigsaw puzzle pieces. So we have three variations. The first one is with 2 pieces, the next one is with 3, and the last one is with 4. In a slide layout, it could look like this. So this is with 2 pieces. The text could either go here and here or both on the same side. With 3 pieces, it could potentially look like this, and with 4, it could look like this. So I'll be showing you how you can create all of this within PowerPoint without needing any external help. So let's get to it. So first thing we'll be doing is making this infographic with 2 puzzle pieces. So let's go to Insert, Icons, then type in Bulb. Select this bulb image, click on Insert. Let's increase the size of this bulb image like so. Now this is an enhanced meta file. We need to ungroup this twice to be able to convert this into shapes that we can manipulate. So as you can see, now these are individual shapes. So I'm not happy with the bulb icon as it is. So I'm just going to make a few tweaks to make this much more believable, if I may say so. So these are just minor tweaks. You don't have to do this. It's just my OCD. I can't help it. So yeah, once we are happy with the base image, the next step we need is to create the puzzle pieces. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling out a rectangle, and then that rectangle needs to cover the breadth of this bulb. So as you can see, it covers the widest part of the bulb, and I'm just going to measure this so that it goes halfway. Next, we need the circle to create the locking part of the puzzle. So let's go to Insert, take a circle, create a circle of this size, remove the border, place it in the center, make sure it's aligned properly. And we'll also need to duplicate this circle just in case we need to make any changes later on. We don't need to create a circle one more time. So I'm just going to place it to the side, then select both these shapes, go to Shape Format, under Merge Shapes, create Union. So that's just created a single shape like so. Now we need the second puzzle piece, so I'm just going to duplicate the first puzzle piece, place it like so, send it to the back. Now select both these shapes, go to Shape Format, click on Merge Shapes, and click on Fragment. So there we have our 2 pieces. So I'm just going to align them like so, change the color of the second piece so we can see it properly. And I think we have the basic setup for our next step. So we have these 2 puzzle pieces. Let's take them together, place it on top of this bulb like so. Now we can send this to the back so we can see the bulb itself and make any tweaks in terms of the position if we have to. I'm happy with this. I'm just going to go to Shape Format, click on Fragment. So you can see that there is a center piece that has detached itself from the puzzle piece that we need. So the simple fix is just take the top piece, go to Shape Format, click on Merge Shapes, and say Union. So now we have 2 individual pieces like so, and I think we are pretty much there. So I'm just going to take the bottom part of the bulb, place it at the bottom like so. I'll also increase the size of the bulb so that it matches in proportion to the bottom part. And then place it and align it like so. And I think we are there with our first piece. So let's just delete extra parts and place this in the center. And for the next step, we will be creating the bulb infographic with 3 pieces. So I'm just going to go to a new slide, copy the 2 puzzle pieces that we just created, and this is what we are going for. It's just a reference, you don't have to do this. Now we need 3 puzzle pieces, so I'm just going to copy the middle puzzle piece and place it like so, change its color, then take the bulb image again. Now I'm doing this from scratch, but if you save the bulb image the first time, you don't have to go through this step. But I'm just showing this to you in case you need to relook at how I did the bulb part. So it's the same deal. Let's ungroup this twice, make some minor tweaks to the bulb icon to get it ready. So I'm just going to speed this up. So there we have our graphic with 3 puzzle pieces, and for the final step we will be creating the one with 4 puzzle pieces. This process is slightly different, so I'm just going to copy this icon that I showed you earlier, place it at the top so we know which part we are working on. For the next step we need the bulb image. Again, you can skip this step if you have saved the bulb image at the beginning. For the next step, type in puzzle. Select the puzzle icon that we have here. Let's put it to the side, increase its size. Let's ungroup this twice so we can take individual shapes and change them. Let's delete the top 2 and select these 2, duplicate these, and we are just going to rotate these so they fit in nicely with the bottom 2 puzzle pieces. So I'm just going to rotate this and place them like so. Once we have this, we are going to have to increase the size of this so that it can occupy the image of the top part of the bulb like so. Now once I did this, I just realized that the spacing between the puzzle pieces is rather too large, so I'm just going to reduce the spacing so that we don't have so much of empty space in between the puzzle pieces. I know it kind of ruins the symmetry a little, but this shouldn't be a problem once you look at the end result. So I'm happy with the spacing now. I'm going to place this, send it to the back like so, and color individual pieces with different colors so we can see this nicely. So I'm looking at the reference in the top right corner, and I'm just going to color these the similar colors. Alright, then for the next step, select all the 4 shapes and the top part of the bulb. Make sure everything is aligned nicely. Go to shape format, click on merge shapes, click on fragment, remove all the extra shapes and take only the puzzle part of the bulb, and I think we are nearly there. For the final step, we'll have to color these in different colors and also increase the size of the bulb to match the bottom part, and we are almost there. So this is looking good. Alright, once you have the base shapes, now the last step would be to just add in the text. I'm not going to show adding the text here, but this is how it could look. I'll be sharing this file in the description, so you can just copy paste the text placeholders in your presentation. So that's it for the video. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for future videos. See you next time.